Okay, so hi guys. It's episode 89, and I was just watching videos. Sorry, my dog. I was just watching videos on YouTube and stuff like that, and I saw one of Cinnamon Mew Mew's videos about the YouTube thing about something else, and then I saw another video, and someone said that we're gonna die on YouTube. Like, not, like, you're not gonna, like, someone's not gonna, like, shoot you or anything. Like, your account is gonna die. That's what they meant. And I'm pretty darn scared because, I don't know why, but I'm just, like, really scared right now. Because, this is, like, it was about the ACTA, the ACTA. And I was also by Brindalia, I think it's her name, Brindalia, and, she's like, this could be the end, and I'm not sure, like, she said that YouTube might shut down, or, like, her account might shut down. She had to pass the word on, so I decided just to pass the word on because, even I'm a little worried, so, yeah, I'm just, like, a little worried and stuff like that, because, what if YouTube shuts down? Like, what if everybody's account shuts down or videos start, doing that? Cinnamon Mew Mew thinks it's, like, not a big deal or anything, but, Brindalia